about to revolutionize the way we communicate. Imagine having real-time language translation right in your AirPods. No extra apps, no delays. Could this be a game changer for travelers, business professionals, and multilingual users? Let's find out. Forget language barriers. Apple's rumored to bring live translation to AirPods with an upcoming software update launching alongside iOS 19. But how will it work? And can it compete with Google's Pixel Buds? Stay tuned to get all the details. Apple's been upgrading AirPods beyond just sound quality. Last year, AirPods 2 got a software update that turned them into personalized hearing aids. Now, Apple's taking things a step further with real-time language translation. What does this mean for you? Travelers can have seamless conversations abroad, business professionals can break language barriers instantly, and multilingual users can communicate effortlessly in any language. The best part? It's expected to be just a software update, meaning existing AirPods could get this powerful feature. But here's the big question. Will it outperform Google's Pixel Buds live translation? Google's had this feature for a while, but Apple's tight integration with iOS might make it even smoother. What do you think? Will Apple's live translation AirPods be a must-have for global communication? Drop a comment.